I am glad to welcome you to the GB Cars Problems channel. Today, we are diving into the Vauxhall Corsa E, produced from 2014 to 2019. This super mini has been a staple on UK roads, known for its affordability and zippy handling in city traffic. Over the years, it has sold in droves, appealing to first-time drivers and urban commuters alike. Let us start with what makes the Corsa E a solid choice for many. Its compact size makes parking in tight London spots a breeze, and the interior offers decent space for a small car. Fuel efficiency is impressive, with some petrol models achieving up to 50 miles per gallon on highways, keeping running costs low at around 4 litres per 100 kilometers in mixed driving. However, no car is perfect, and the Corsa E has its share of praises and pitfalls. On the positive side, the ride is smooth for city jaunts, and the cabin tech, like the IntelliLink system in higher trims, integrates well with smartphones. Reliability surveys from sources like Whatcar often rate it above average for its class, making it a dependable daily driver. Shifting gears to the downsides, oil leaks are one of the most reported issues in this model. These often stem from faulty valve cover gaskets or oil filter housings, leading to messy engine bays and potential drops in oil pressure. Owners in the UK have noted this problem cropping up after about 80,000 kilometers, sometimes requiring repairs costing up to £200 at a local garage. Clutch problems are another headache that plagues the Corsa E, especially in manual transmission versions. The clutch can wear prematurely due to a weak release bearing or pressure plate, causing slipping or difficulty shifting gears. Many drivers report this around the 60,000 kilometer mark, with replacement costs averaging £300 to £500, depending on the workshop. Beyond oil leaks and clutches, the timing chain has been a point of contention. In some 1.0 and 1.4-litre engines, the chain can stretch or rattle, leading to expensive fixes if not caught early. Regular servicing at Vauxhall-approved centres can help, but ignoring unusual engine noises might lead to bills exceeding £1,000. The suspension system also shows weaknesses over time, particularly in models driven on pothole-ridden British roads. Bushings and shock absorbers wear out faster than expected, resulting in a bumpy ride and potential MOT failures. Replacement parts are affordable, around £150 per corner, but labour can add up if you are not handy with tools. Electrically, the Corsa E is not immune to gremlins, with alternator failures and battery drain issues popping up. Some owners experience dashboard warning lights due to faulty sensors, which can be traced back to wiring harness problems. These are often resolved with a diagnostic scan for about £50, but repeated issues can frustrate long-term ownership. On the brighter side, the Corsa E boasts agile steering that makes it fun to drive on twisty country lanes. Its lightweight build contributes to nimble performance, and eco models offer tax benefits in the UK with low CO2 emissions. Insurance groups are reasonable, starting from Group 3, keeping premiums affordable for young drivers. Fuel system woes occasionally surface, especially in diesel variants like the 1.3 CDTI. Injectors can clog from poor quality fuel, leading to rough idling and reduced power. Cleaning or replacing them might set you back £200, but sticking to reputable filling stations helps prevent this. Interior quality has mixed reviews. While the seats are comfortable for short trips, plastics can creak and fade over time. Higher spec models like the SRI come with better materials, enhancing the premium feel. Overall, it is a step up from older Corsas, but budget trims feel a bit cheap inside. Braking components wear out quicker in stop-start urban driving, with pads and discs needing replacement every 30,000 kilometers. This is not unique to the Corsa, but combined with other issues, it adds to maintenance costs. Opting for genuine Vauxhall parts ensures longevity, though aftermarket options can save money. The gearbox, particularly in automatics, can hesitate or jerk during shifts, pointing to software glitches. A dealer update often fixes this for under £100. Manual boxes are generally robust, but the clutch linkage can bind in cold weather, a common complaint in northern UK regions. Exhaust systems, including the catalytic converter, face issues from short trips that do not allow proper heating. This leads to blockages and check engine lights, with repairs costing up to £400. Longer drives help mitigate this, making the car better suited for mixed usage. Visibility is a strong point, with large windows and optional parking sensors aiding maneuvers in busy areas like Manchester or Birmingham. Safety features such as multiple airbags and stability control earned it a 4-star Euro NCAP rating. It is reassuring for families, though some rivals offer more advanced tech. Rust can appear on underbody components if not protected, especially in salted winter roads. Regular undersealing for about £100 prevents this. Body panels hold up well, maintaining the car's resale value around £3,000 to £6,000 for a used example today. Air conditioning failures are reported, often due to compressor issues or refrigerant leaks. Regassing costs £50, but a full repair might reach £200. It is essential for hot UK summers, so checking this during purchase is wise. The infotainment screen can glitch, freezing, or losing Bluetooth connectivity. Software updates from Vauxhall resolve most, but persistent problems might need a unit replacement for £300. It is a minor annoyance compared to mechanical woes. Tyre wear is even thanks to the balanced chassis, but budget tyres can make the ride noisy on motorways. Upgrading to premium brands improves comfort and grip. Handling remains a highlight, with precise cornering that outshines some competitors. In conclusion, the Vauxhall Corsa E suits budget-conscious city dwellers, young drivers, or those needing an economical runabout for daily commutes under 10,000 kilometers annually. It shines in urban environments with its efficiency and ease of use, but may frustrate if you rack up high mileage or neglect maintenance due to its engine and transmission vulnerabilities. Overall, it is a practical choice for UK buyers seeking value, provided you factor in potential repair costs. And if you own this automotive masterpiece, please describe the problems you encountered while driving it. Perhaps your review will help viewers when choosing a car. That's all I have for now. Thank you all very much for your attention. I'd be very grateful if you subscribe to the channel. See you soon.